So, but you know, this is it?
Yeah,
Our rain reach. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's up, YouTube?
What go on? We're there out in the, what do you say, deep country?
We are
just
at
around the
Cavaliers.
corner. Around the corner, I don't know country. Reach
With the
already.
Cavaliers.
When me I talk about country, me expect you some 30 minutes, some 1 hour drive. Big up, big up. Yes, people, so right now we're up, where were they?
With the Cavaliers, guys.
Cavaliers. The name some bossy, isn't me? From I know Sharika, I met Sharika tell about this place and the river.
Guys, it's actually my uncle's river. It's actually in the back of his yard, like the back of his house. We're just gonna share the beauty, the ambience with you guys.
People, from I met Sharika tell about this river. So this river better be like 5-star setup. I have the jelly, it have a waterfall,
and the river,
I'm off can swim.
The river has a garden, like across the river it has a garden, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the ambience. We're here to share it with you.
I'm more say Janga in the river.
So
too.
if you don't want to come on the river,
you know Janga, I mean come show it. Well, we're showing the river, you guys. And guys, thank you for staying tuned and supporting us. We love everyone on us. We see all on the comments. Keep on supporting us, and for all new subscribers, welcome and join the team, Fitz and Rika gang.
And remember,
my bad.
Remember for like, comment, and subscribe. Peace
out. Are you dropping up, baby girl? Oh. Come here, kitty cat. I'm not even the other one. You used to run them road there?
What for actually? Right there said it a bad dog.
Go tell me about some big pit bull rottweiler. I know me see one.
Thank you.
Yes, people, welcome to Cavaliers. 5-star river will lead to, you know. Sherka give us soup on the journey, and we'll go down on them type of truck here. You know, look at what we got to drink us. Whoa, no sir. No sir. I want soup in our hand. Get if I can pass the soup to Kennedy. From here. Oh, the soup nice. Oh, chicken soup. Yeah. Yeah, look on them truck here, man.
It's not hard. It's not. Give me the camera.
Yeah, people.
Come now. It'll get dark. You might talk about people. I just we. Hurry up.
Just come now. Hit you down, you know. So what, no Sharika? Not easy. You talk about it not hard, ain't reach nowhere.
Wait, them know we're going, right?
Yeah. I guess. Foolishness. What's going on? My sweat.
Yeah, man.
So this is leading to the river.
Watch your step, man. Victoria easy, you know.
I'm not going to lie, this might be too much information. I did this before you guys come and down here. Down here do now?
What, shower?
Yeah. Don't worry.
That means you can shower in the river. Can swim then. Yeah, me hear some water running right here, so. Yeah, see it there? Man, if you can see it.
Just on these rough things, do avoid the green.
Avoid the green things because it's slippery.
Alright. Do you tell me or YouTube?
YouTube fam. The soup bad.
Yeah, it tastes good. You can cook like this one? Hmm? You hear that, people? Just can cook KFC.
We have arrived at our destiny.
I'm mad, man. I'm mad.
So guys, this is the river. We're here. I hope you guys like it. Sit there. It's nice. We have falls. We have what else?
Fun, make our up and go look for the river before the footage roll out. Great people. You have to walk on them something here, bro. With our soup in your hand. You don't want to get bun, you know? Blood. I'll catch it, man. Off it, man.
Oh man.
The river. So we cross river, so the river running down that side. Let's hurry up, cause people come and set people. Look at me if we come outside more
This is a real adventure.
and do some exercise, cause I'm sweat too easy. Or probably I'll fit my feet while I'm sweat so easy. But when you're managing slippers, you know easy, you know? You should wear shoes. So we'll cross the river again. How much time we cross the river so far? 2 times? For sure.
Not that deep, but you see down. You have a lot of platforms and you have to deep. It's like I didn't know. You see when I was down here, I did separate.
So, but you look at this is it?
Yeah,
Or what we reach? Whoa.
Kennedy.
Whoa!
Jamaica eat.
Hey, YouTube catch you, you know? So this is it though?
Yeah.
So but you can dig a hole down here, do you know?
Yeah.
Sad. Oh, you're gonna walk in your shoes?
Hmm?
I'm gonna do it. You can't take off your shoes. So, you can go up there, so go dig. Down there, so go dig. Where we go garden?
Alright, the garden is up this way. The garden on Uncle Erwin's farm.
So this is the river, but you can go further down to dig. And you can go up the road for dig. But this is basically a part of it. And up right there, so. Right there, so. We're going into the garden.
Sure, I think you should help me.
Okay, come on. Mind your droppies.
Look at me, should I wear Crocs though?
Victoria Oli.
Thank you.
No, so. Real girl, a girl.
Step, that little, yes.
But sure
You can
it
do it, you can do it.
Jump on my
sure
foot.
in the way.
Come on, man.
You don't see any stick right here, so.
Stick?
I'm not sure. You guys know.
Yeah, this down here. And be a bush.
I'm feeling I have to touch the water, man. Can't touch the water.
In your shoes.
In your shoe?
Not in my shoe, man. Hey, cool, man. Cool. You can, boy, if you dig a hole, dig, and you can see.
This is the water. Around this side is deeper. But it's a nice getaway if you don't want to be out in the public.
Water feel nice and cool.
What's going on?
I don't know if you guys can remember the
Victorian. Alright here, so you can dig. But nobody come up and swim, man.
You have many great swing clothes, you know?
Huh?
You So they bring tours. Just jump in the water.
You mean lay down?
Yeah. The garden muddy.
Huh? Yeah. Alright people, me here say there's a garden. This is the river. The 5-star river. Need some deep hole so we can enjoy. 6-star. Take the lead there, Victor, and capture everybody. Yeah man, you put on your 4x4. Yeah. Oh, you put it on already. One foot of 4x4 and one of 4x4. The strap, you don't care about the strap. Put in a 4x4 up there. Yeah people, so head into the garden. Are the Adam and Eve garden?
Right.
So here, Kennedy now.
Our tour guide.
In the garden, but up furthermore is Uncle Erwin farm.
So right through here, guys, is a garden, and up here is a farm.
Okay.
So the gate.
So I go. So
Oh,
this stick right here says the gate. So you make the left turn into the Eden garden.
upon the tree.
Don't pick no apple. We can pick anything else but apple.
There's nothing on the tree.
Wait, it's like what type of just flowers and then a fruit tree.
Don't talk to the camera while
Mama put.
Not
we
even
love-
know. I'm not even know where to go, man.
So we don't know what we're there.
No.
So
Mama put. Smell the leaf.
Is there?
alright.
For the delay.
Alright. Take the leader, Sharika. Yes, I'll put them tree,
So
man.
while passing right here, this section, you can see some. Not
Okay.
but
Here we
A pair of flowers on the plant up, man.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure what is called, but this is where it's placed.
No, that's not them pretty flowers. Pretty. Clean. Nice.
Yeah, man, forward, I know what type of flowers them here.
Boy.
Fix your shirt there, your tag a show. Your tag, top part of your shirt.
No.
Got these plants.
Easier stuff.
Come on, sweat people.
Yes, it's very true.
Hey, tour guide, you're new upon the job. This is it? Okay. Oh, banana fruit tree. See, breadfruit tree.
I
Bread.
think Uncle Aaron did this morning. It was a star fruit.
Okay.
Drinking herself.
I think there's a little piece of it.
River
Yeah,
nice
yeah.
River for good dig.
Oh, not finished. Sorry.
Alright.
Foot? Anybody?
Do you chicken foot?
Can't want no more.
Not finished yet.
So now you used to run this back in the days and talk about garden and river. Hmm? Uh-huh. They're so quiet. Your foot in your mouth.
Okay.
Is that
So when I was younger, guys, this garden was beautiful. Like, it did have more space.
alright, let me say that again.
The garden did nicer. It did have
You can see that. You can see that. Water was in here, so? Water was in here, so?
And you did have birds.
I mean, everywhere birds fun.
You did have cages of birds
Oh,
and
okay.
fish. I think this is the fish pond when did
Yeah,
have.
it look like a fish
When
pond.
did raise the fish for me.
Okay.
Can you tell me what it is? Because I don't even remember.
Come on, here you have to lead.
This one finish the soup. Broad seed.
Broad
Why
seed.
you have to like do that?
If we drop the chicken foot on. No, sir. Go down there. Wife, go down. Look, her chicken soup.
The video. Yeah.
Oh, I thought Uncle would say ready. It's some fruits here.
Pretty. Got the flowers. Yeah. And see? What did they say him again? Star apple? Star fruit? Star fruit, man. Luxurious, man. See? Pretty girl.
That's a nice go.
What is? Nice.
Yeah.
The cobbler. Oh, yes.
So where the Victoria?
I don't even know.
Garden.
This is basically it.
Yeah man, it's not cool place. The river needs to be
So
good.
I have the apple. Then what apple? Star apple.
When I let us
Fruit.
sunshine.
Then you have flowers. Yes. Luxurious, man, luxurious. I've dead plants over there. So. But yeah, luxurious. Taking pictures. You have the grass.
What you feel over your pool?
It's cool. Don't do that. Ah.
Cavaliers word, right?
Yeah.
When?
Before, like, very.
I'm not sure, but you guys want to say Uncle or when you come?
Farm.
Yeah.
You must have farm.
Pumpkin thing there.
You can walk this way.
It's pretty.
Yeah, this way, but
See, this is what the jungle life is about. Like, land.
But if we go back that way, remember that gate thing? If we go straight up, it's just right there.
Like, yes.
I mean, there's no.
Let's go look on the apple again.
The man, Uncle Brad,
Because all I'm doing is talking. Like, bro, look at this. Juicy, nice. Sour apple tree. Let's go look at the plants, girl. They have this pretty. Not sure what it's called now. If you know, then drop it in the comments. Word, yes. Yes. I have many, many more. No, this is cool. Nice and cool. It's cool.
Guys,
Bro.
If you were tall,
Guys,
you could
the tourist
understand. You say,
Night touch, she's going to be prayed.
Jacket, carry everything. My heart may sweat.
As night touch, watch. As night touch, you go see the color shiver. That is a good thing.
and you
It's
never,
cool,
you never
bro.
over here when
you have to
night
be the
is
tallest
before.
person first pass the remarks. You know when you up here say.
When night comes, they're going to be thanking me that them carry a jacket.
Sure, why it's
Watch.
so hot.
Just watch, yeah? I'm going to be looking like, fools! When night comes.
Come from that, you know, that.
Alright, welcome back.
He's drinking his
You
chicken
think
soup.
Yeah,
they
man.
can lead
Yeah.
Very
me,
nice.
Gabba?
Nice,
Huh?
man.
You think they can lead me, Gabba?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, see some plants
Alright,
over
people.
there.
I'm gonna take over the tour. This is the route back
That's the ending
to
of
the
the
house.
store. I know you liked it. Yeah.
So,
Comment
guys,
if you want me to do a YouTube channel.
we have these beautiful plants here. you know, planted by
Uncle Brad.
Uncle Brad.
Not Uncle Brad, no Uncle Brad. You hear me say?
Huh?
It's not Uncle Brad.
Watch a step, guys.
It's
I don't
Uncle
want to get sued. I just start.
Uncle Brad.
Hey, I say no Uncle Brad. I say Uncle Brad.
Uncle Brad.
Brad B.
Wait.
Brad.
Uncle Brad.
Okay.
Alright, where are we
Uncle
going?
Brad.
Alright, this is the fish.
This is a
stand.
pool. It's a pond. It
It's
used to be the pond.
It's super restored. So we're gonna have all type of fish. We're gonna have some exotic fish swimming around. No homo.
Oh!
So we'll have a farm, but we're not going to take you guys to the farm because the night is coming down. So guys, come along.
Look at the snails.
Let's say, yeah. You see us. This is beautiful Patrick. You know Patrick? This is Patrick.
That's
right
not
here.
Patrick. Patrick is a star.
You mean Gear?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
Gary.
A long
Even know what
time
SpongeBob, you know?
A long time now watch SpongeBob.
No. Hi.
Anyway guys, you have to watch it.
Let me pass.
Come guys, before what name? SpongeBob.
Boy, if you don't.
Alright. So guys, we're gonna walk along this path here. This is actually crabgrass, people. These are exotic grass, crabgrass. Don't get it twisted.
Guys, it's a coconut leaf.
No, bro,
Him said crab.
People, I was just
You know,
I heard the river was one day through the spring.
He was going that way, and we're supposed to go this way.
So
we're lost already.
people, take a look at these beautiful plants.
We just saw that one back there.
No, these are different
Yes.
sets. These sets are from Nigeria.
Yeah.
But so bad.
Yeah, so I'm taking the red part, especially the red part.
Yeah.
So guys, if you walk this way,
This come from Nigeria too?
so guys, we're going to walk this way along these
Look, he's walking.
flowers. Come guys, don't get lost. Don't get lost.
I'll tell you that over. Don't get. Yes, look at the plants.
Show the tour guide.
Tour guide.
You alright back there? Everything okay?
Want to bite me and me have on crooks.
Everything okay back there? Alright, we're going to
So you like
watch your
turtle?
step and watch your head. So we say
Watch your step and watch your
head while we walk here. Very cool and nice. Okay, this one looking.
God.
Oh, down the river. Alright, people, wait, watch your step first.
And it's
Watch
the
your-
tour guide. Would I get lost with him?
Okay, no, we're not going to take this way down. This is the expressway down to the river. Right here, we have the expressway to the river. We're not going to take the Huh?
We went the right way. Go, bro. Go, bro.
We're not gonna take the expressway today. So today we want to learn every corner of this beautiful garden. And the estate. So here we have the gate. This was made in 1963. This gate was made in 1963. Very exotic bamboo.
Bamboo.
Can't get it anywhere.
Made for
But,
19.
Guys, right here,
1990,
watch
yeah.
this step.
About 1960. Go. The camera girl.
And this
Then
is
you
the
can see the
mineral
river.
water.
Yeah, it have a lot of pumpkin on it.
Then we have just, you know, some bush.
This is
Dear
actually,
answer to the bush.
this is actually strawberry plant.
Not poisonized.
Strawberry plant.
Washing his face.
People, this water is
cool.
very cool and nice.
Yes.
Man, no.
It's good one. Yes, washing his face with the water.
Whoa.
Pollution. We used to do that too. That's long ago. You look at it's the pure water that's in the drink. I guess this is the end of your tour. Yeah. Thanks for watching. And we're gonna be coming soon.
Comment and subscribe. Big up.
Drop. Well, wait for the picture. Well.
You have to go wait, you have to go drop in the next vlog. Not that vlog, so then come back next vlog and watch me drop.
Yeah, we'll swim.
Yeah, because the water cool and nice, you know.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.
You have to go.
Like a 1 month.